I'm live streaming. We're live streaming to Facebook. Here we go. Here we go. So I can't tell you if someone's watching really because I'm watching the road.
Well, I'll just look.
Just know that we are driving in Ankeny right now. Oh my, there's like a median. There's come and go. I can't even tell where I'm at. My orientation is so messed up.
Yeah, where are we?
There's a bridge. Oh, I was supposed to turn right there.
Oh.
Dude! It is that foggy, I couldn't even tell where to turn. So I will be doing a U-turn.
Okay, we're gonna miss all of our turns.
It was gonna put us on the interstate. I thought I was going a different direction. I couldn't even tell. You know, I do have a compass on my mirror that I could be using, so. And we're headed east. That makes sense. We were headed, I don't know if you, but it is foggy. Let's say it is foggy. Can I do a U-turn here? It doesn't say I can't do a U-turn here. You can do U-turns in Iowa, right?
We don't even know where we're.
Who's an expert here?
We're gonna miss every single U-turn.
Yes, thank you. I am trying to be safe. I'm only looking at my phone when I'm stopped here. Okay, I got a green arrow. It's really that bad. Like I literally just missed my turn because I was going slow and I couldn't even read the sign. So I'm gonna go back this way. Yeah, we're under the interstate. I thought for some reason I thought we were headed south.
I thought we were headed like near.
Just hopefully everybody has their headlights on. That's the big thing.
Yeah.
And people aren't drunk driving after.
Oh no, yeah.
After the Super Bowl, they've been drinking at the Super Bowl and.
Wow, we might crash. There's a very good percentage of that.
I think it's a good percentage.
Yeah.
I think it's better we're on the interstate. Then we have less intersections.
But I feel like people are coming home already,
Oh yeah, people are coming home.
Oh yeah, I guess it's.
And then you got to watch out for deer. You guys just thankful you're in the back.
Oh yeah. We'll live, we'll die, and then at least it's not cold and freeze to death.
Yeah.
I'll just.
Yeah, at least it's not -20. Well, if it was, it wouldn't be foggy.
If it was -20 foggy, well, and we crashed, we'd probably die. But it's not. It's like 50 hours.
Yeah. It doesn't look as bad on the interstate, but man, when it was in town.
I bet it was all the streetlights glaring.
Yeah, you're right. It's all the street lights glaring.
We probably couldn't even flag anyone down because we wouldn't be able to, like they wouldn't see us. The only thing I can
Hey, it's Mara! Sorry, I saw, I looked and it said Mara. I was just hanging out with your brother, Mara. That's right. I was hanging out with Ian all night. It was a good time. He's driving home right now to Cambridge. So, told him to be safe too. He's got to drive north and then that one way and...
Dad.
Yeah.
The only thing we could do is if we crashed is hope that your phone survived.
Or my watch.
Yeah, or your watch.
A cellular.
But your phone's at the front, so it's probably going to get crashed.
Nah, my watch will be fine. Okay, so here is this First Street exit. I can't even read it.
I don't know where we are.
I think that's First Street exit.
We're probably going to mix our names.
No, this says take exit 137. We're taking the interstate the whole way. Probably better that way.
Okay.
Look at how foggy it is over there, man. You can't even see into Ankeny.
Well, we'll have live video.
Look at all the cars.
Why are they only... there's not very many people on our side. There's a bunch of people on this side. Well, and that... Yeah, exact lights are really dim. But it looks like there's not very many people on our side. Like everyone's coming back.
What's this guy doing? Stay in the road! Stay in your lane! Yo, yo! Keep your horse over there. He's probably tired. When you drive like this for a long time, when it's like foggy or snowing, it makes you like mesmerized.
Yeah.
Oh, this lady. Sorry, lady. Foggy man. This reminds me of my storm chasing days. I miss them.
So how does that work?
Yeah, with your dad.
So 14.
Like, look at that. I can't even see that sign. Oh, now I can see it. Exit 90. So this is what's it called? Yeah, or labor. Boom, I can see it. Now I can see the exit. That's why I missed that last one. Couldn't even see where I was. So we're just coming past or labor. Coming under or labor. So we should be able to see Carl's. Well, you can see Carl's a little bit. Yeah.
Oh wait, I know where we are.
It looks like it's snowing because there's so many lights. Yeah, that's why I missed my turn too, is because I was just disoriented. I didn't even know which way I was going.
There's so many lights in town. So many street lights, which is good, but also bad. Because the glare from the water problems.
I can see the Fleet Farm sign. Corporate Woods, coming up on Corporate Woods.
Imagine if we were like driving
Yeah.
Last night there were raffle prizes at Chick-fil-A. Somebody won an overnight stay and get a hotel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
For their whole family.
Did you see one of the guys that was there tonight works at Chick-fil-A? Actually, a couple of them do.
Isaac.
Isaac does, and Ian.
He probably works night shift.
He said he works at, like, over by Barnes & Noble on University.
Okay, yeah. He's not.
Isaac works at Ankeny, right?
Yep. The one where we went after rock climbing.
Yeah. I don't know. Was that the one? No. I don't think
That
so.
one's by,
It's so foggy.
We did drive to Minnesota in the morning. It was super fun. Like,
Was it?
worse than this. Imagine
Oh yeah, that's right. It was. It was daytime, but it was so foggy you couldn't see
you
anything.
couldn't see the car in front of you. Imagine the London fog.
Mom made it home.
London has a lot
That was her announcement.
because they're right by the... Wouldn't it? I feel like all the books and stuff I read about London is it's really flat, like crowded. That's because that you read about the months.
This could get interesting.
And it's always like, yeah.
Take exit.
You're not hearing about the nice area. There's plenty of nice and they drive on the left side of the road. Yeah. That would mess things up. Like Connor talks about that in English. I think the driver gets shot. He sits down and then realizes it's American vehicle. Presses switch to the other side. So they also mentioned in one of their things we should just get an American car because they're automatic. Like everyone drives a state car in like
She foggy. She foggy.
That sign says just be friendly.
Just be friendly. That's how you should drive. Friendly.
That would be nice.
It's so foggy.
That's crazy that they would make this stuff.
Yeah. Exit 135. I don't know. I don't know if it's still working. It says it's still working. My neighbor's watching. Dan's watching. Dan Borst is watching. All kinds of people. Here we go. Alright, this is about to show you how foggy it is when we get into town. Although I feel like it's a little less here.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Yeah. This is a
Although my windshield's
See
not
that
better.
building, see? It almost looks like there's no fog here. So Harley Davidson.
Streaky.
What does streaky mean?
Like the streak. See how the light looks like streaky?
I thought it meant freaky, but anything on the road.
No, streaky just means like, see how it's smeared and it's like and still live streaming? I don't even know. Your viewers are waiting for you. Please come back. I'm here. I don't understand.
Can anyone hear us?
I think it's overheating because I'm live streaming and I'm charging it.
Can anyone
Not really
hear
sure.
us?
And I'm doing GPS navigation and it's connected to my watch. You know, I'm just pushing it to the limit.
Text if you can still hear us.
Push it to the limit. I think people come and join and then they see that I'm just driving and they're like, okay, and then they leave. There's only one person watching right now. Well, according to the eyeball in the corner.
Yeah, but can they hear us?
Probably my
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I already texted him and told him over.
I know, but he's watching to make sure we don't kill ourselves.
Maybe.
Make sure you don't.
I'm just live streaming because I like to show people what the weather's like when they're not driving. So if they're like, I don't think it's a good time to go to the store and buy bread, or I don't think my kid should be driving home from the Super Bowl party, I'm gonna go get them, or, you know, that's all. That's why I'm live streaming.
Dad,
If you got the ability. What?
never mind.
Never mind, you don't want to ask the question live?
No.
You don't want to ask it later when we're not live?
No.
We currently just got off the interstate on 2nd Avenue. 2nd Avenue.
Did it just get more foggy?
We are headed south on 2nd Avenue
This is so
under the interstate.
back there. There's no fog.
And my car is at 68 degrees and it feels hot. That's because our blood is used to negative 20.
When it was,
Oh, Brooke Porter's watching.
it was. I don't think they can hear us.
Brooke, can you hear us? Nobody has chatted as far as we know. All we can see is people joining and nobody's saying anything.
So.
It's probably because they're like,
It was-
there's that Doug Porter again, live streaming from his car.
It was
Super
2
boring. We'll
degrees.
see you later.
It was 2 degrees at the DMAC workout place, and it felt so warm, like we could play in that weather.
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
weird.
because it was so cold that it felt warm too. And now it's 40 and it feels like summer.
Maybe there's like a different screen I'm
And
supposed to
now
be
it's
looking
gonna
at
get
for
cold
chat.
again and freeze all the roads.
It's quiet mode. Swipe left to reveal comments. It smells like eggs. It smells like rotten eggs.
It does. Ew, yuck.
I don't know what does that.
That's weird. Or almost maybe like hard-boiled eggs.
Yeah, but it has something to do with sulfur, so but I don't know where it's coming from.
Oh yeah, because sulfur dioxide smells like rotten eggs.
Yeah.
And if you breathe too much of it, you die.
Ooh, I know it smells like rotten egg thunder.
Well, when there's fog, that means that there's a, is it low pressure? High pressure? I don't know, whatever it is, it's pushed something. And it's keeping the stuff on the ground. Well, then that means any like smells that's coming out of factories and stuff like that is staying down low too. So it could be from the factory back there.
Soybeans, maybe.
Well, the soybean plants. Guys ever can smell that from your house?
Not really generally from our house every now and then and during the summertime
Yeah.
when it's like really, really humid.
We can smell the Tone Spices place sometimes.
I'll bet that smells good.
Yeah.
Really? What place?
Tone Spices. It's only one of the smells that they do. I don't know which one it is, or not smells. One of the spices they do. I can smell it, and I think they do it on purpose, like at a certain time, really late at night, so everyone doesn't have to be bothered by it.
Huh.
Where does Michael work?
Where's what?
Michael work?
Michael, he works for PDI, which
The
is like the
storage company?
Well, no, it's the company that that's I think it's owned by Hy-Vee that delivers like meat and fruit and vegetables.
Oh, like.
Is it right here?
Yeah.
So is Amazon gonna open all their stores
I don't know what they're doing.
How does that work?
Amazon? They were talking about, well, just
No, how do their, what are their stores?
hold on.
Ours
Hold
is the
on.
one with the
Light on? Okay. You have arrived. Get out!
Kicking you
Scream,
out.
scream really loud if you need me to rescue you.
Is anyone behind us?
Nope. Nope. Except people walking across the street. I think they're walking the other
That's all
direction. They're going the other way. Bye, nephew.
Cousin.
I know. I'd rather call him nephew.
I wish I could go in their house.
Wake up the whole house. Bye.
Did we get him home before 10?
Yep.
We did.
Yep, 9:48. Time for us to go home. I have 3 text messages. And Mom is telling us that she made it home. And Brian is telling us, holy cow, it's about time. Where do you get off keeping my kid up so late, winky face? Funny. He's so funny.
Yeah, can we stop the live stream?
Yeah, sure. You want to talk about some secret stuff?
Yeah, sure.
Woohoo! See you later. Hope you had a nice life.